So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a story to your Facebook business page, and also how to add music to it, and also how to add a clickable link so that you can take people off of Facebook to one of the assets on your website or maybe on your YouTube channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Facebook business page. So in order to do that, here you can see on my Facebook account, I'm actually acting as my personal self. So you need to click the bottom right hand corner and change it so that you're acting as your page. Once you're in your page, all you need to do is you can either press the button to go story, reel, live, upload or create a post, or I like to go to my page itself, click on the profile picture, view my story and click add story. Now if you don't have a story there, when you click it, it will say add to story. I like going this way, it's just the old fashioned way and I find it a little bit easier. So view story, add to story, and then when you're in here, you can either use a video from your camera roll, you can use a picture from your camera roll, you can use multiple pictures by clicking the select multiple option, or you can use one of the options along the top, which is music, text, boomerang or selfie. I like to go through the camera button at the bottom where it says blue camera. When you do that, it opens it up onto selfie mode. You have a few options down the bottom. You can do layout, which means that you can create a collage. You can do video, which means that you press the button and it will record a video for you. You can do normal, where you can take a picture or you have to hold the button to record a video. Or you can do boomerang, where it does like a little repeat video of you. If you were to want to take a picture, all you do is hold the camera and press once and it takes the picture for you. If, however, you want to make a video, you press and hold the button and it will record for you, as you can see here. Now that's how you do the video. Now, if you want to do a boomerang, you just have to press and hold and it will record the boomerang for you. If you want to do the layout, you can see that you have 4 options, 2 options, 3 options, 2 either side. This is quite good for before and after, or if you want like a grid type effect. So we can play with that another day. But for this, I'm going to do a boomerang because I don't want to have any noise, so that I can show you how to do these things. So to do the boomerang, you just press and hold and do something funny. So now I've done that, you can see that it's got me in like a little quick view. And I just want to quickly run through some of the options on the right. You can see at the top right that there is a sticker option. This is where you add your GIFs, your emojis, or you can do your location and all those other sorts of things. You've got a text option where you can add text, and when you type the text, you can control whether it's in the side, middle, and you can also add a background to it, and you can also change the color of it. You can also set the duration. So when you click the duration, you can set it so that it only shows it for a certain amount of time, so that it doesn't show the whole thing. You can also, if you want to, move the text around so it's not in the way of anybody. So as you can see, there's this little link icon. So when I click that, I can actually put a link from an external site into my Facebook story. So if I click the link and I paste, because I copied a YouTube link, you can then click done. Now, if you don't know how to get a link from YouTube, for example, you go over to YouTube itself, find the video you want. So that's the video I want to copy. Click the share option and copy the link from there. Go back to your Facebook story, click on the link icon, and you can see that the link's there. If you want to add it in, you just add it how I showed you. Otherwise, that's going to show up when we post this story. Now, if you want to, you can add music. So by adding music, you can just choose any of the musics here. If you want to listen to it first, just click the listen option. And then once you've clicked it, you can add it in. So if I was to say, let's choose this one. I'm going to just pull this down out of the way so nobody can see that. And we're all ready to roll. So now just press the share button. And it's actually going to share that to my story. Now, in order to see the story, you need to go to the page in question. And as you can see the see more. If I click that, it's actually taken me straight to that YouTube video on my YouTube channel. Okay, I hope that was really useful for you, how to actually create a Facebook story in your business page on your Facebook account with the additional adding text, adding music, and adding a call to action link, which could take somebody from your Facebook story to a YouTube video or your blog post or your newsletter or anywhere else on the internet that you want to take them. My name's Anita Wong. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Please subscribe to this channel so that you learn more about Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video.